Hello and welcome back to our page, guys. Today we will make a pineapple using the bubble wrap sheet. Take the paper and color it using yellow color. Now make its sleeves. Draw some small pineapples around it using the colorful pens and it's ready. I hope you enjoyed it. Next, we will make a tortoise. Take the bubble wrap sheet and stick its legs and mouth using yellow color. Now color the bubble wrap sheet using green color. Now draw some grasses and water plants. Make the bubbles and it's ready. Next, we will make two cute ducks. Draw the water using blue color. Now stick the bubble wrap sheet of the duck shape. Color it using the white color as we are doing. Stick its eyes. Draw the white lines on the water to show the waves. Color its beak. Then we will draw some plants on top of it using the earbuds, and your beautiful duck and the scenery is ready. Next, we will make a beetroot. Stick the bubble wrap sheet, color it using the red color. Now using a paintbrush, draw its leaves, draw its hands and legs, stick its eyes, make the soil using the brown color, and your beetroot is ready. Next, we will make a honeybee comb. Stick the bubble wrap sheet and color it using brown and yellow color. After that, we will make the branches of the tree. Draw the brown color branches using paintbrush. Draw its leaves. Now we will make small honeybees roaming around the honeycomb. Take yellow color on the fingertips and press it to make the honeybee and make its eyes and its body. And your honeybee and honeycomb is ready. I hope you enjoyed it. Next, we will make a beautiful sweater. Cut out the bubble wrap sheet in the shape of a sweater. Now stick it and color it using red, orange, yellow and green and blue color. Then make its end using white clay and press it. Give it a collar using white clay. Put white clay on the wrist and it's ready. Next, we will make eaten watermelon using the bubble wrap sheet. Stick it. Now color it using red color. Make its outer covering using green paper. Stick the ants and your eaten watermelon is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will make fishes. Stick the bubble wrap sheet and color it using red color. Stick their eyes. Now taking red paper, we will make its tail and fins. Draw the bubbles and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.